Simple Simon met a pieman going to the fair. Said Simple Simon to the pieman, let me taste your ware. Said the pieman unto Simon, show me first your penny. Said Simple Simon to the pieman, sir, I have not any. Simple Simon went a-fishing for to catch a whale, for all the water he had got was in his mother's pail. Simple Simon went to look if plums grew on a thistle. He pricked his finger very much, which made poor Simon whistle.